Alright, so we're making it out today. Hopefully the audio is good because it is way windier than I thought it was going to be. We are going to make it to the real Queen Anne's Bridge. The reason why I say it that way, I'll tell you when we get there. We have made it to Queen Anne's Bridge. The reason why I say the real one earlier is because I actually didn't even know that this one existed. I thought the bridge that I went to a while ago on Governor Bridge Road was actually the Queen Anne's Bridge that obviously have always heard about, but it wasn't until very recently I found out that this bridge is the actual Queen Anne's Bridge, and the entire time I was wrong about the one on Governor Bridge Road. I read up on the history of this one a little bit before I got here. So the original bridge was built in 1755, got remodeled in 1797 to only get destroyed by a flood coming down the river in 1804, but it was immediately rebuilt. And then the current one that you guys see right now was built in 1890 and unfortunately closed in 1960 when too many overloaded trucks ended up making some of it collapse. But the cool thing is they actually have kept it. They had it open for pedestrians, walking, cycling, and everything until 2007, but then they had to fence it off so you can't go over there. But I'm going to pull out my camera right now because it is perfect lighting right here to get a picture of the bike with a bridge and walk around, take some pictures. So, what I'm dealing with right now is the reason why I am getting something new in the future, which you guys will see once I get it. So this has been a sweet little find for today. Super happy I came across the whereabouts of this. And also this goes to show that you will always find something new that you never knew about, not that far from you, as well as you'll learn, because like I said, never even knew this bridge existed. I thought it was another one. But if you guys are liking today's video, please give me a like and a comment. And of course, if you like any of my videos, subscribe. But let's jump back on the bike and make our way back.